Good day everyone. By the way, my name is Eunice Derder. For today's video, I am going to share with you about the 10 artificial intelligence or AI. But before that, before we proceed to our topic, let us first understand what is artificial intelligence or AI.
When we say artificial intelligence or AI, artificial intelligence is a field of science concerned with building computers and machines that can reason, learn, and act in such a way that would normally require human intelligence or that involve data whose scale exceeds what humans can analyze. Number one is Alexa. Alexa is Amazon's cloud-based voice service, a virtual assistant that powers many of their devices and third-party products. It allows users to interact with technology using their voice for tasks like playing music, setting alarms, asking questions, and controlling smart home devices.
Alexa, connect to Bluetooth.
Searching. Connected to iPad Pro. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
Buzz Voice Connects. Buzz is a voice-based messaging app that focuses on simple and fast communication using push-to-talk features. It emphasizes the natural way humans communicate by voice, making it easy to connect with loved ones. The app also offers features like autoplay, voice-to-text transcription, group chats, with instant translation and live places for customized group chat environments. Using Buzz Voice app, it will help us to communicate to our family, friends, relatives without any hassle. It also appear our voice in their phone even if they are busy. They will notice us that what we are sending to them. Google Assistant is a virtual assistant software application developed by Google that is primarily available on home automation and mobile devices based on artificial intelligence. Google Assistant can engage in two-way conversations. Unlike the company's previous virtual assistant, Google Now. Google Assistant is a virtual assistant software application developed by Google that is primarily available on home.
So, ganito unang gagawin. Punta ka sa Google, 'di ba? Tapos, click mo yung settings. Pagka-click mo ng settings, click mo yung Google Assistant. Yan. Tapos, ang click mo ulit yung Hey Google. Tapos, i-on mo lang siya. Tapos, ayan, next mo lang. Tapos, agree ka lang. Lalabas dyan na okay Google. Sasabihin mo yun hanggang sa mapuno mo yung pabilog. Tapos, ayan, continue ka lang. Sa akin kasi nagawa ko na kaya wala nang lumabas. Tapos, ayan, not now mo lang. Tapos, okay na. Pwede ka lang Hey Google, open the YouTube, ganyan-ganyan. Welcome.
Open YouTube.
A gym workout app is a mobile application designed to help users track their workouts, set fitness goals, and stay motivated while exercising at a gym or at home. These apps can provide personalized workout plans, video tutorials, and progress tracking, often integrating with wearable devices, and social media. A gym workout app is a mobile application designed to help users Snapchat is a mobile app that focuses on ephemeral visual communication, primarily through sending and receiving self-destructing photos and videos called Snap.
So Snapchat AI is officially releasing to the public worldwide for free, so you don't need to purchase the Snapchat Plus membership. So to know if you actually have this feature right now, you want to make sure your app is up to date, and also go to your chat section and you will notice you'll see a My AI at the top of your page, but it is slowly rolling out right now worldwide, so just be patient. I know a lot of people don't even have this feature yet, but let me know what you guys think about. So Snapchat AI.
Google Maps is a web service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites worldwide. In addition to conventional road maps, Google Maps offer aerial and satellite views of many locations. Google Maps is a web service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites worldwide. In addition to
Ngayon mga paps, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano ba gumamit ng Google Map. Isa sa magandang advantage ng Google Map ay pwede nyong isave yung mapa. Meron kasi siyang available na offline map. Okay? So, select nyo lang, then select nyo lang yung area na pupuntahan ninyo. So, kahit walang internet do sa mga dadaanan ninyo, continuous pa rin yung mapa na makukuha ninyo. Okay, now, sa pag-search, no? So, search nyo muna yung pupuntahan ninyo. Like, for example, ito, nakaset siya, going to Tabaco Port, Albay, Bicol yan. Okay? So, makikita ninyo, yan na yung pupuntahan natin. Double check nyo muna mga paps, no? Kung talagang siguradong going to Tabaco Port yan. Kasi tandaan natin, may mga area na magkakapangalan pero magkakaiba yung lugar. So, check natin. So, going to Bicol naman nga talaga. Okay? So, yun. Papuntahan naman talaga siya ng Bicol. Now, sa pagtatakbo na tayo. So, start lang naman natin yan. Okay? Ang pinaka-ibibigay ko reminders dito, no? Bago kayo tumakbo, i-double check nyo muna yung kalsada kung okay ba kayo. Then, magkakaroon din kayo ng idea dyan kung ilang oras yung tatakbuhin ninyo at kung ilang minuto at kung anong oras kayo possible na darating doon. Kung continuous yung magiging takbo ninyo. Dito naman sa taas may arrow yan. So, halimbawa kung ang next na dadaanan ninyo ay kailangan kayong kumanan, so magkakaroon yan ng arrow na kanan or kung kaliwa o diretso lang. Ang idea dyan, meron yan number dito. Yung number na yon, ang count nun ay by 10. Okay? So, kung halimbawa nasa 200 meters away na kayo bago kayo lumiko, pumesto na kayo doon sa kanan kung pakanan man kayo. O kung pakaliwa man, pumesto na kayo sa kaliwa 200 to 100 meters. Pabawas ng pabawas yun by 10. So, pag nag-0 na yon, ibig sabihin, kakanan na kayo or kakaliwa. Pinaka-reminders ko dito, pag gagamit kayo ng Google Map, siguraduhin ninyo na nasa magandang posisyon yung inyong cellphone, meron kayong charger, para tuloy-tuloy ang paggamit ninyo ng mapa.
AI Mirror is an AI photo editing and video creation app featuring AI filters, video style, transformation, and exclusive AI hugs. Video technology. We can transform your photos into anime, comics, game characters, and sketches instantly. AI Mirror is an AI photo editing and video creation app featuring AI filters, video style, transformation, and exclusive AI.
I'm gonna show you how to turn yourself into a Ghibli character. Open AI Mirror app. Search for Ghibli filter. Select your photo, tap draw, and wait for the result. And there you have it. Try it out and let me know what you think.
AI Baby Generator. A baby generator is a tool that can predict your future baby's face based on the input parents' images. Utilizing well-trained artificial intelligence technology, users can get AI baby images that resemble them. AI Baby Generator. A baby generator is a tool that can predict your future baby's face based on the input parents' images. Utilizing well-trained artificial intelligence technology, users can get AI baby images that resemble them. AI Face and Body Editor AI Photo. Face and Body Editor is an advanced photo editing application designed to enhance and modify images of the human body and face. This app is especially popular among users looking to reshape their appearance in selfies and portraits. Face and Body Editor AI Photo. Face and Body Editor is an advanced photo editing application designed to enhance and modify images of the human body and face. This app is especially popular among users looking to reshape their appearance. Imagine Art AI Generator. Imagine AI Image Generator brings you ideas that empowers you to paint with an intelligent brush. Simply describe elements, watch them appear instantly, and refine your artwork for an intuitive, creative experience. Imagine Art AI Generator. Imagine AI Image Generator brings you ideas that empowers.
Here are 3 reasons to try Imagine AI Art Generator. 1. It allows you to create stunning artwork from simple descriptions. 2. Whether you're an artist, graphic designer, or writer, this revolutionary tool helps you turn your ideas into reality. And 3. Thanks to its cutting-edge AI technology, Imagine translates your words into captivating visuals, giving you unlimited inspiration. Then unleash your imagination with Imagine AI Art Generator.